Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to create a sunset landscape using Paint 3D. If you are looking for a fun and creative way to paint on your computer, this tutorial perfect for you. So let's start the video. First of all, for the sunset effect we will create a beautiful gradient background. Now select the color white, choose pixel pen. Let's add some stars to bring the sky to life. Start adding small dots in the sky to represent the stars. You can change the shape of the stars by adjusting the brush size. For a more natural look, make some bigger and smaller. Then let's create the cloud. Now create the moonlight and then go to 2D shape and select the circle tool. Draw a circle. Choose white color to give the moon a bright look. Now keep the color dark. For the landscape, let's create a distant mountain. To give the landscape a more natural look, use a watercolor brush. Fill in colors to look like a river or lake and represent water. Now add trees and leaves to your landscape. And that's it. So look, you have created a beautiful sunset landscape in Paint 3D. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.